I'm gonna show you the phone booth areas where people can pop in and out of these rooms and they can make a phone call, they can have a short meeting. It's a transitional space that we hope people use for short-term use, not like staying there all day. But let's see where there's an open one. We got people working. Here's a free one. We can pop in. It looks like somebody using it, but we can sneak in. So you have this little space. When you come visit, hopefully we'll have our wallpaper in. We're gonna do an accent wall that pops when you walk through the space, and I'm really excited about that addition. But yeah, these are great spaces that people love to use, especially people who have large teams and private offices where you may have a lot of people in your office and you need to step out and find a quieter space. This is a great room for that. Next, I wanna show you our reservable conference rooms. So we have 3 small conference rooms and 2 large conference rooms. Let's pop into one. We have motion censored lights, so when I step in here, well, look at that, the light comes on. So these small conference rooms can sit 3 to 4 people, and they're reservable for meetings. Our coworkers can reserve them, as well as other 4.0 alumni and community leaders. If you're looking for a space for a meeting, you can use our online room reservation platform called Nexus. And again, we have 3 small conference rooms and 2 large conference rooms. Let's go to the large conference room. We call this large conference room 1, but we're actually in the middle of naming these spaces. We're gonna pop in here and let me show you, look at that. So this is a large conference room 1 that can seat 8 to 10 people. And each of our conference rooms has these glass boards with the signature 4.0 colors that are either orange or blue. And they all have AV capabilities where people can use a smart TV for display using an HDMI or AirPlay, things like that. It's really helpful for people doing presentations and things like that. So again, this is a great space to host your meeting if you're looking for a space and you're gonna be in New Orleans or live in New Orleans. The next space that I wanna show you is our flex space. It's another lounge area, casual style, where people can take a break, host a small meeting, and it also can act as a waiting room for events that we have in our large training room space. Yeah, so people can hang out in this area, maybe if they're here early before the event starts and people aren't ready for them to enter yet. So it's a great little space in the middle of the studio that I wanted to show you.